up, YouTube? Man, it's been a rough day. We made it to Sacramento this morning. Got a load off about 3 o'clock this morning. Picked up another load, came to Pomona. Now we are in Pomona. Truck broke down, truck in the shop. So we're in the hotel room, just chilling. So hopefully they get our truck fixed tomorrow. Get us out of here. Got a load going to Mississippi, but they're gonna get our truck fixed in time to get it done. So I'm just chilling out in California for a little bit to get our truck ready. Hello. Ready to go? Yeah, ready to go. But that's our story. Hanging out in the hotel room till I get our truck ready. And then we'll be ready to roll again. But until then, we're gonna hit these streets. Alright, we out of here. See you guys later. Peace.